Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another session of Live DLR set solving. Today is Thursday. Good morning, all of you. Welcome. Uh, my name is Suneet. We are going to be starting our one set a day practice for today. So let me just give a brief introduction about myself. I have done my engineering from IIT Delhi. Post that, I started taking the CAT and I got 100 percentile in CAT. After which I went to IIM Calcutta for my MBA. And since graduating from there, I have been working on my startup and have been teaching as well because it's a passion for me. And I love the subject of math and aptitude exams like CAT. So it's a kind of a refreshing feeling for me when I take a class, right? So welcome all of you. Let's also see about Unacademy. So Unacademy has an iconic subscription, right, where you get one-on-one mentoring from mentors across the top B schools of the country, where you can clarify your concepts, discuss your doubts, work on your exam and preparation strategies with them. You can use code CAT10 to get the subscription at a 10% discount. You can also use my code if you like my teaching. You can use my code. You can use the code Suneet Live to subscribe as well. Okay? If you click the link in the description of this video, you'll automatically go to the Unacademy page where you can take the subscription. These are some of the batches which have recently started on the Unacademy portal, right? So every few days there are some batches starting here or there for various OMED preparations as well as CAT preparations. So you could join any of these batches. There's offers going on. If you take 12 months of subscription, you get 3 months free. Same for 24 months of subscription as well. Suneet Live is my code. You can use it to participate in the combat which happens every Sunday at 12 o'clock. If you perform well, you are among the top 200 ranks. You get more discounts, 25%, 50%, 75%, and even free subscriptions, right? Okay, let's now go to the set for today. So we were solving test number 8 in mock test on LRDI. So let's do a reattempt test over here. We'll begin the test. So I think the last time we did question 9, yes, 5 to 9 हमने किया था, and now we are to do 10 to 13. So this is the set, right? So there is a bar graph, there is a line graph, and then there is a theta question. All questions were theta types we saw. So if you want, you can pause the video here if you've not solved it yet, and you can try solving and then come back and check the way I go about it, or you can solve with me as well. Okay, so you can just compare notes if you've already solved too. Okay, number of employees of company Canon is given over here. Okay, difficult to read but okay, can read. This 218 by the way. Profit per employee per annum is given. Okay, here there is a loss as well. This is in rupees lakhs. Total profit is number of employees into profit per employee per annum. Okay. In which year was the profit of the company the highest? Okay. So 2009 में तो loss है. 2011 employees is also the most and profit per employee is also the most. So I think it has to be 2011. ठीक है. 2009 में ज़्यादा है लेकिन उधर profit नहीं नुकसान है. So I'll go with 2011 over here. Right, seems to be an easy set this one. Let's see the other 3 questions. If the profit in the year 2008 was 30% of the total sales value, okay, then what was the approximate total sales value in crores in that year? Okay, 2008, oops, I need a paint document here. So 2008 I had 145 employees, sorry, not 154, 145 employees, and profit per employee was 2.6 lakhs. Okay, so this much was my total profit. This was 30% of the sales value. First of all, we'll calculate the profit. 145 into 2.6, 377. 145 into 2.6, 377 lakhs. Okay, is my profit over here. Now this is 30% of the total sales value. So 377 lakhs is 0.3 times the sales. So sales is going to be 377 lakhs upon 0.3. So let's do 377 divided by 0.3. This comes as 1256.66 lakhs, or in terms of crores, this is going to be 12.56 crores, 12.57. Okay, if I do it till 2 decimals, 30% of total sales, then what was the approximate total sales value in that year? So it is going to be 12.57. ठीक है ना. अगेन डेसिमल नहीं है, वो 13 होगा. जनरली तो एग्जाम में डेसिमल में आंसर्स नहीं होते और बोलते हैं कि भाई राउंड ऑफ करो टू द नियरेस्ट इंटीजर, तो फिर 13 करता, पर ये लोग ने वो बोला नहीं है. आई एम राउंडिंग ऑफ टू द सेकंड डेसिमल प्लेस. कुड बी रॉन्ग, बट आई मीन बेस्ड ऑफ देयर आंसर, लाइक पॉइंट से अगर कुछ गलत हुआ तो मतलब चलेगा. ठीक है, अगर 13 आंसर हुआ मींस वी हैव डन दिस राइट. ओके. इनफैक्ट एक काम करते हैं, just to prove my point, I'll just put in 13. I know they might have given it in decimals. I think I've done this in the past, so decimal में दिया, but ठीक है, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. The company wants to achieve a profit in the year 2012 such that the profit in the year 2011 is 64% of the profit in the year 2012. What should be the profit in crores of the company Canon in the year 2012? Okay, so profit in 2011 is 64% of profit in 2012. So profit in 2011 is 192 into 3.2. This is 64% of profit in 2012, and that is what they've asked from us. Okay, so I will open again the calculator. So I will put in 192 into 3.2. 192 into 3.2 divided by 64 into 100, divided by 64 into 100 into 100. So I get 960 lakhs. It's going to be 9.6 CR. 9.6 CR should be the profit. Now in this case I'm going to put in 9.6. In fact पीछे वाले में भी वो कर ही देते हैं चेंज उसको. कितना था वो, लेकिन मैं तो भूल गया. I forgot only how much it was. 12 point something था ना यार. ऐसे तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता गाइस. 145 into 2.6 कर ही लेते वापस, कोई बात नहीं. चेक आर आंसर. 145 into 2.6 divided by 0.3, 12.57. फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई एम सेइंग कि मतलब कैट में डेसिमल में आंसर होता नहीं है जनरली, तो इतना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अगर होता है तो बोलते राउंड ऑफ करना, पूरा एकदम देते क्लियर कट कि आपका एकदम सही एकदम बैठेगा आंसर. व्हाट वाज द अप्रॉक्सीमेट परसेंटेज इंक्रीज? अप्रॉक्सीमेट परसेंटेज इंक्रीज, ये टीटा सवाल देने नहीं चाहिए थे, थोड़ा सा गलत किया कि तो टीटा सवाल देते. व्हाट वाज द अप्रॉक्सीमेट परसेंटेज इंक्रीज द प्रॉफिट ऑफ द कंपनी फ्रॉम 2007 टू 2008? है तो आसानी. 2007 में 120 into 2 is 240 and 2008 में 145 into 2.6 was 377. So increases of 137 on 240. ये परसेंटेज मुझे निकालना है. So let's open the calculator. 137 divided by 240. 57% is approximate. So we'll mark this now. ठीक है, हो सकता है आंसर गलत दिखाए कुछ ना कुछ, but we'll just see कि were we right or wrong in terms of our working. वैसे तो right होना चाहिए, ठीक ही लग रहा था. ट्राई कर लेते, देख लेते, मतलब 10 to 13 we'll see. So 10 2011 was right. 12.5. I remembered कि यार वो लोग ने डेसिमल 2 डेसिमल तक रखा था, इसलिए मैंने ऐसे मार्क कर दिया. 12 में भी 1 डेसिमल तक आ रहा था, और 13 क्योंकि अप्रॉक्सीमेट बोले थे, मुझे पता था वो पॉइंट के आगे वाला हटा देना होगा. पर ठीक है, एज आई सेड एग्जाम में मतलब डेसिमल में टीटा का आंसर नहीं आएगा. अगर आएगा तो वो लोग ने लिखा होगा कि आपको इसको राउंड ऑफ करना है टू द नियरेस्ट इंटीजर, एंड राउंडिंग ऑफ यू शुड बी नोइंग. So this was not very difficult, pretty straightforward. One thing I would like to say, or what I can say is our learning. देखो ज़्यादा कुछ मतलब कैलकुलेशन ही है, ज़्यादा कुछ मेथड नहीं है इधर करने के. डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज प्लग इन करनी थी और करना था. ठीक है. So with the advent of the on-screen calculator, now if calculation intensive set is also there, calculation intensive but easy to comprehend set. ठीक है. I think this is a must attempt set where use of calculator is fine, use of on screen calculator. ठीक है, कैलकुलेशन इंटेंस है, आप ऑन स्क्रीन कैलकुलेटर यूज करो, पटपट आंसर आएंगे, आपको एटलीस्ट सही आंसर आएगा, है ना, क्योंकि सेट इज इजी टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड, यू नो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस. ठीक है, सो यूज ऑफ कैलकुलेटर इज नॉट बैड ओवर हियर. ठीक है, सेकेंड थिंग आई वुड से इज राउंडिंग ऑफ. एक चीज जो है वो थोड़ा सा आप समझ लीजिएगा, जनरली 0.5 से अगर ऊपर होता है तो यू राउंड ऑफ टू द नेक्स्ट इंटीजर. ठीक है, एंड 0.5 से नीचे होता है तो यू गो टू द प्रीवियस इंटीजर और द ओरिजिनल इंटीजर. ठीक है, पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज इफ इट इज 14.56 यू राउंड इट ऑफ टू 15, इफ इट इज 14.44 यू राउंड इट ऑफ टू 14. अगर बाय चांस कभी राउंड ऑफ करने बोला तो बस मैं इसलिए ये बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल वी हैड फॉर द सेट टुडे. Let's see the set for tomorrow, that is Friday, where I'll be back and I'll be doing a live session. ठीक है, so तब हम आपसे live मिलेंगे. This is a 3 question set only. This is on seeds, games and tournaments है. हम games and tournaments अभी पिछले हफ्ते में we've also done in LRD as well. So good set to solve basically, I would say, right? So this is the first question, this is the data, this is the question. So you can pause and you can solve and you can come prepared for tomorrow's class. This is the second question. And this is the third question, right? So this is the 3 question set. Let me just see अगर single question है आगे, नहीं 4 question का set है तो बाद में करेंगे. So we'll do these 3 questions for the next class. ठीक है, again just putting in the full passage. आपको चाहिए तो आप ये end में देख लीजिएगा. So yes, this is all we had, guys. Thank you so much as always for joining in. It was a pleasure. Please, as I said, as I always say, use this beginning to the day and work hard throughout the day. Solve as many sets as possible. It will give you a lot of confidence and a lot of ability and skills when it comes to solving LRDI sets. Make good notes as well. If you find some set to be very good, please make a note about it so that you can revise it a few days before the CAT, so that अगर वैसा कुछ आ जाए तो आप कर सकते हो CAT के अंदर. ठीक है, so it's a lot about familiarity and about confidence. Exactly वो नहीं आया लेकिन वैसा कुछ भी आ जाता है तो आप वो कर सकते हो एग्जाम के अंदर. That is all I have. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope to see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye.